Claude by Anthropic.
Claude account.
Claude.
Claude.
Claude by Anthropic is one of the most widely discussed AI platforms in the entire AI industry. Welcome back to the Lit channel, where we're always learning interesting things. Today, we're setting up a day one Claude account to start figuring out this whole AI thing. So if you're ready to figure this out together, let's go. All right, so as you can see, we are here on Claude's page. You can see that there's a bunch of drop downs here. You can look at Claude, Claude Code, Claude Codework. There are multiple features you can see right here. But again, we're just looking at a day one user's experience and how to create an actual account. So don't worry about all these different things. I'm just gonna scroll down right here to where it says enter your email. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to enter my email and then let's see what the next step looks like. All right, so I've entered my email and now I'm gonna use this continue with email button and see what the next page looks like. All right, and as you can see, it says right here, enter the verification code sent to your email. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did with the setting up of ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so this is the email that I received from Claude. And so what you can see is it does say Anthropic. It says secure link to log in to Claude AI. Gives you the date and the time. And then as you can see here in the middle, it says Claude, let's get you signed in. So now I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says sign in to Claude AI. All right, now as you can see, it says let's create your account. I agree to Anthropic's consumer terms, acceptable policy, and confirm that I am at least 18 years of age. So I agree to that, and let's go ahead and create an account. All right, so now it looks like they're going to request your phone number. So go ahead and enter that information, and then they'll send you a verification code. All right, and now you've got your verification code. Just go ahead and click right here where it says verify code. All right, so now as you can see, if I scroll down, they've got 3 tiers for the plan that you can choose. For right now, I'm going to choose the free version, but as you can see, there is a pro and there is a max version. So depending on what your budgetary limits are, depending on what you're looking to do, as you can see, if I scroll down, there are different functions. So in the free version, you have all of these features. And then if you look over here on the pro version, it says everything in free and these additional functions. And then you also have the max, which has everything in pro plus these features as well. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says use Claude for free, and then we'll move to the next step. All right, so it says get the most out of Claude on your desktop. So what you can do is you can download the desktop app, or you can use it here on the website. So right here, I'm going to choose skip, but as you can see, you can download it for Windows. I'm just going to hit skip, and then I'm going to go ahead and use it just on the website. All right, now you can see it says before your first chat, a few things to know. So it says add free chats. We won't show you ads or let advertisers influence what Claude says. It says built to help, not harm. Automated safeguards protect your chats from violent or abusive deceptive content. And then right here, there is a toggle switch, and it says help Claude improve. Allow the use of your chats and coding sessions to train and improve Claude. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for right now. You can leave that on if you choose. But again, this is just for a day one user on how to set up the account. So let's go ahead and click continue. All right, so now you can see right here, it says, before we get started, what shall I call you? So this is nice. You can kind of personalize your experience. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in a name. And I'll go ahead and click right here, the little arrow. All right, now you can see that they're trying to get very personal, which is kind of cool. They're asking what I'm into. So it says pick 3 topics to explore. I'm gonna go ahead and choose learning and studying. I'm going to choose writing and content creation, and I'm going to choose business and strategy. And now I'm going to click let's go. All right, now you can see it says all set. Here are a few ideas just for you. Where should we start? So what you can choose is either design a learning challenge that pushes my creative boundaries. You can choose improve operational efficiency. You can choose help me understand a complex topic from scratch. Or you can see also on the bottom here, it says, I have my own topic. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose I have my own topic, and then we'll go ahead and move forward. All right, so here we are in Claude. And as you can see on the left-hand side, we've got a ribbon with a bunch of different icons. We've got the search bar in the middle. We've got in the bottom left corner a little icon for our name. Today we're not going to take a look in this video at how we actually use the functionality inside of Claude. This was just a setup tutorial on how to actually create your Claude account on day one. AI is a topic that's been all over the news and social media for some time now. Some people are afraid of AI, and others are jumping in and getting their hands dirty to learn all about its capabilities. Either way, it appears that AI is here to stay for the foreseeable future. I'm not an AI expert, and I do not claim to be an AI guru. I'm just a dude in his late 30s that's trying to navigate AI and figure everything out alongside you while helping other beginners that may feel overwhelmed with the thought of using AI. So stay tuned for more similar videos in the future, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel.